highlighting the accomplishments of the USD, especially the work of the SSC fellows. Nakakadala pong nalaman na tayo, Philippines ranks 53rd in the Global Innovation Index this year. So, indeed, transformations through science and science. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga I'm sure everyone is feeling more energized and motivated to dive deeper into the discussions and activities we have lined up for you today. So let's carry that energy forward as we proceed with the rest of our program.
By this time, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to hear a message of support from one of our leaders in research and innovation. Please welcome the director of the Philippine Nuclear Research Institute. Let's give her a sound of applause to Dr. Carlo A. Arcilia.
Thank you very much. So I didn't prepare a speech, but I'd like to say a few things. Because we're talking about Balik scientists. To my mind, the true Balik scientists are those who came back when the Balik Scientist program was not even started. I refer to Secretary Solidum, who was my classmate, and myself. Okay? We were classmates. By the way, Secretary, he was my student, my classmate, my friend, and now my boss. So when we were classmates, he was sent to Bibos. And then, maraming pinadala sa Bibos, di bumalik. Pero bumalik si Secretary, sulit na sulit ang bayan dahil sa kanya. I didn't come from the public. I had a Fulbright, so I had no obligation, but I came back, and I'm really very, very lucky to have come back. Returned to the University of the Philippines, and I'm very proud because two of our science fellows were my students, Dr. Aquino and Dr. Americus Perez, who was appointed as a science fellows. At TNRI, maybe I was invited here kasi kami ang pinakamaraming science fellows. We have 9. Actually, we have 10. Prinamote yung isa naging senior staff na sa TNRI. I think that's matapos yung contract niya. Si Gilbert Oralan is now the head of our international office. So, very, very helpful to us. I thank the science fellows. I have to explain to my staff when they come. It was kasi ang babata niya, ang mga kataas ang sweldo, yun yung pushback ng ibang tao. No? But the 3 years they have shown free excellent labor. Okay, I have to be proud. PNRI is consistently the highest paid publication producer in the whole USD. By far. Okay? At one point in time, 2 or 3 years ago, half of the publications in the USD came from PNRI. Kalahati po, ano sa amin. Anyway, and the fellows have contributed a lot to that. In development then, our developments of PNRI, we have products that have been commercialized. Some of them with the help of the fellows. They haven't been marketed yet because they're still new. But I'm proud to announce that the first private releasing facility will be opening very, very soon. And it's an 800 million peso facility. They use our technology. It's owned by Dr. Walter Brown. But they pirated most of my guys. But no matter. But going back to our science fellows, I'd like to say a few projects that are very critical. We have a NUCMED project that will attempt to lower the cost of cancer staging in the Philippines. As you know, 70,000 Filipinos die of cancer every year because they're diagnosed late. And the way to diagnose is reduction. These cancers are very expensive, 50,000 pesos. So we came to the program, and I owe this to Dr. Pascual, whom I met 5 years ago in the IAEA. He came back from the IAEA. He had an offer in Australia, but for some reason we were able to, to twist his arm, to give up the fellowship, and join the scientist first, and then now science fellow. The product of that collaboration will be a 2.2 billion facility that will house a cyclotron field CAT scans with a promise to lower the cost of CAT scans by half. Ipagdasal niyo po ang matapos because if that happens, the middle class will have a chance to have a diagnosis for early scanning cancer, especially it will be done. It's being built now at PNRI. So that's and then nuclear program is moving fast. The only thing I can say now, we are the regulators. Alco is very, very interested in nuclear, including the Bataan nuclear plant. Medyo has pa, but if Narato's interested, it means that it will move fast. And the siting for the nuclear plants, how safe it is, PNRI contributes a lot to them, and the work by Dr. Emeritus Perez, who's a biologist, helps make sure that the sites will be safe. Okay? And what about energy? You know, you mentioned hydrogen, but there is a sort of hydrogen that is the really cleanest part. Hydrogen coming from the ground. There's actually hydrogen coming from the ground, and that's being researched by one of our scientists, very science fellow, Dr. Minette King. I've been told my time is up. Thank you very much, UST, for giving us science fellows. Excellent work. You know, sulit na sulit po. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po.